You know, my mom and T, she would love this. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Nice.
I guess they say, like, in terms of grams or weight, it's like 2 grams, right, per cup? Because that looks like 2, yeah.
I'll have to send my mom the video.
Yeah.
'Cause you know her and T. T is her life. She literally has it all over the house, if you noticed, when I'm on FaceTime. The hutch.
Yeah.
T is just ridiculous.
Yeah.
And they match up almost exactly to your girl. Thank you so much. My best friend told me that she said it's like. So this one, the bigger one?
Do you think that's, like, probably for 2 cups of tea? Do you think it would fit? Because that one clearly is 1. So,
Marshall, go get cups of tea. Like 2?
36 ounces.
Huh? Oh, the owls? Owl stuff everywhere, you know? Not just here, everywhere. Very popular kind of icon. Huh?
Yeah, because if we're making 2, we'll make nothing. We're making 1.
Get a lot of different teas. Tea factory. Where's that at? What part? Next to the house we're at?
Yeah. Yeah, Titanic one. Yeah, Titanic one.
Far across the distance.
I don't know if I've ever seen so many teas in my life. I have a CBD tea.
That was like a million of them, right?
Right? Right?
See what they got on this side. Yeah, because my mom said she would love to see that antique store. It's like an antique Walmart, you know, the name Antique Center.
Are you both finding everything all right?
Yeah, we're just looking around,
All
checking
right. If you guys
everything
have any
out.
questions, just let me know.
Absolutely, I
love your
appreciate
tattoos,
it.
by
Thank
the
you.
way. They're really
Thank you. I appreciate that. So you like tea too, right? You like tea too a lot.
Yeah.
So Cherokee's like, yeah. Scoot over here. Some thermals, right? That's what they call thermals, right? Yeah, they definitely have a lot of stuff in here.
I thought your mother would like it.
See, that's what I'm saying. You get a lot of cool stuff in Millerton, you know?
Yeah.
Even more over here.
Honey Sons.
Honey, what?
Honey Sons.
Oh. Be a good place to get a gift for my mom sometime. She would love this. I just have to figure out what, yeah. She likes just looking too, even that campus store, like the downstairs. That's her kind of stuff. Comfy socks. These are like mists. Sharky, look at the name of this one. Come here. You saw it? Of the fart? You read it? This one, look. Yeah. Hmm? What?
After dark, campfire.
Did you see one over there had a fart in there?
Yeah.
I guess it was like a comical one. That's neat. That's like a employee room, right?
Yeah.
That's yeah. It's very cool though. Millerton. It's pretty neat. People doodling. Huh? Yeah. Do you want to check the address section over here? Hmm? Yeah, the first part. Was that like a restaurant or? Huh? The what? Oh, it's not? I thought I saw people in there. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm glad we came in here. We got a lot of neat stuff. So what is it? Oh, I see. It's like closed.
Yeah.
What is that? Like a where they drink the tea or?
The tea drinks over there.
I wonder what that part is though. Hmm?
Head is nice.
I guess this is part of it. I mean, it's open. Yeah, I don't know. I guess special orders or something? Tea? No, it's closed off. Right? Oh, look at all the things. I just noticed. That's cool. But I don't know why this is like open. Yeah, it's part of it. Hey. That's a bathroom? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the other section is closed off. It's something they use for sales or something. It's open at certain times for something, I guess, but yeah, I don't know what normally. Ready to move on? Oh, that's neat. Look at the elephant in there. What? Oh, yeah, too. Valentine's Day.
You're done.
Very cool. You ready to move on? Yeah.
Don't ask me why they don't have samples of tea when you walk in. Sorry.
It's all right.